Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will play a game to learn the animal names. This game is called the animal guessing game. In this video, pictures of different types of animals will be presented. If you know the type of animal, say it to get 1 point. You get 1 point for each right answer. Some questions even have bonus point. At the end of the video, I will show you the answer of all my questions and name of animals. So let's get started. Kids, are you ready to play? That's good. Well, name this animal. Do you know the name of this animal? Well, hope you did well. Name this animal. Bonus points. Where in the world can you find them? Name this animal. Hope you know it. Next one. Name this animal. Where in the world can you find them? Name this animal. Hope you know the answer. Well, where in the world can you find them? Next one. Name this animal. Where in the world can you find them? Do remember your answer. Name this animal. Name this animal. Where in the world can you find them? Name this animal. Where in the world can you find them? Do you know? Well, name this animal. Where in the world can you find them? Did you guess all the 10? Well done. Thank you so much for playing and watching this video. Now I will show you the picture of all answers. Here we go. Check how many answers were right and how many new animals' name did you learn. Thanks for watching.